drink that I've been taking every day for over a year. I got an extra hour of sleep, so I felt rested. I typically average 5 hours or less, so I got a little over 6 hours of sleep last night. That's another thing that I am working on, is increasing my sleep. So I did my workout, but I wasn't as coordinated. I tripped up a lot more. I wasn't as fast as I normally am, or for me, fast. I was much more slow in my movements. I did beat one of my transformers. I got one transformer was faster. The second one was the same number that I got last week, and I don't remember what the third transformer was. But yeah, so I definitely feel not as alert because the Energize that I drink typically just like, it's a healthy, clean caffeine. It's green tea based, but it really, now we'll see what tomorrow brings, but today I was definitely uncoordinated. I was tripping over my feet, tripping over the step, and I was definitely slower in my moves. I am full. I normally practice intermittent fasting, so I typically don't eat breakfast until I break my fast during the week, like maybe 9:45, 10 in the morning with my students. And on the weekend, I don't typically break my fast until maybe sometime between 1 and 3, depending on my day and if I'm hungry or not. So what we do is we take a supplement called, first thing is you wake up in the morning and you take, you add a supplement called Mineralize to your water, and you drink 12 to 24 ounces as soon as you wake up. You wait 30 minutes, you take your Optimize, which is another supplement, and then you wait 30 minutes and you eat your breakfast. Now, like I said, I typically don't eat breakfast, so right now I'm super full because I don't usually have anything in my stomach, but it was good, and I packed my lunch, so my lunch is here, and I have a huge salad. I actually had those salad bowls that you see in, like at the Olive Garden, like those big, so actually I had to bring one of those because with my 3 cups of Power Greens and the other extra veggies that are thrown in there, and my quinoa that I get to put in there, it's going to be a huge salad. And then I made 3 different, I followed the Ultimate Resets recipes of salad dressings, so I made 3 different dressings so I can change it up for the week. And they all, I like tasted them a little bit, they all taste pretty good. So yeah, I will take another supplement. I will take the Optimize again, and then wait 30 minutes and have my salad, and then sometime in there, I don't know, it's all on my phone, a schedule. I have to take something called Power Greens. No, it's not called Power Greens. Maybe it is called Power Greens. I don't remember what it's called. But it's like a seaweed, algae, kelp, like a mega dose of veggies. And from watching other coaches go through this and drink it, it seems like it's not yummy. They compare it to like a seaweed, kelp, algae flavor. Yum. So I watched a lot of coaches on YouTube also who were giving their tips and recommendations of how to make it easier, because although I eat pretty clean, it's still different from what I'm typically doing. So they suggested, a couple that I watched said you're supposed to drink it in, I think, 4 to 6 ounces of water. So it's like one of those little water bottles. But they suggested mixing it in like a shot glass and having less water and just drink it like a shot, and then drink the rest of your water to kind of clean your palate a bit. I ran out of lemons already for my salad dressings. Another person suggested biting into a slice of lemon, drinking it, biting into like a shot of tequila, right? And biting into the lemon again. And then another person suggested squeezing lemon into it. So, like I said, I ran out of lemons because I used quite a bit for my salads and my dressings. So I don't have any for today, but I may, depending how it goes, I may end up having to go buy more lemons. Anyway, day 1, so far so good. The only, my only hiccup has been not being able to take my pre-workout. And I typically on a Monday night, I will go to my HIIT class called Strong. That's a super intensive class. But with this cleanse, what's happening is your organs are going to start working really hard to detoxify, and your body from the inside is going to be working really, really hard. And so they want you to not work as strenuously on the outside, like to cause more stress or tension on your body. So I'm debating, because it's day one, I feel like it would be okay, but I don't know. I have to see how I feel at the end of the day. And I won't have my pre-workout, and I still have to do my workout in the morning tomorrow. So I'm going to play it by ear. I don't know that I will definitely go to the Zumba ones, because that's dance and it's fun and I love it. But the more HIIT-based hard workouts, although I love them too, today's I probably won't go to. But I may still go to Thursdays, which is Turbo Kick. So that is fast-paced, and there are a few burpees, but not as many as in Strong. And Strong, there's a lot of walking planks and burpees, and it's much more intensive, whereas Turbo Kick, it's a lot more cardio with the maybe total 10 burpees in the whole hour. I don't know, maybe it's 12 because it's, I don't know. Maybe it's 24 burpees, but they're fast. Anyway, I have to play it by ear. I have to see how my body feels. Anyway, just want to let you know how day one went. Day one so far, I'm in the very beginning of it, but I did have, my supplements so far and had my breakfast, so I feel really full. Yeah, if I have a chance, depending on what time it is, I don't know what time I'm taking my Power Greens, I will try to come on live because it made for some funny entertainment when I saw other people do it. But anyway, happy Monday, stay dry, stay safe, talk to you later, bye.